everyone. Jim with Jim's Garage Toys, and I wanted to do a follow-up video for my FITCAMX Dashcam that I installed. I installed that a couple weeks ago or so, maybe a little longer, and I've had several requests from people to show some of the footage from it to see how it looks. So I'm going to do a quick video just with some snippets and little pieces of a video for me driving around, and let you guys just sit back and see it. Won't be very long, but it'll give you an idea, and I'll try to do some with some different situations. I know I've got some footage of me kind of driving into the sun in the late afternoon, so that's a tough situation for cameras, so you can see what it looks like. And I hope it helps you see the quality. I think it looks excellent, and make a decision if you would like to get one or not. Guys, like I said, any input, comments, questions, anything that you got, lay it on me. I appreciate it, and if you don't mind helping me grow my channel, subscribe, hit that like button,